Welcome to part 5. The code is ready. MongoDB is configured. Now let's deploy. If you've created your own MongoDB Atlas account, use your URL. If not, use mine. Here's my MongoDB URL you can use. MongoDB plus SRV, malvintech 11 dots DB user. 0 was ebxc 7wsqz done ktq. Cluster 0 bo.xqg ovj mongodb.net. App name cluster 0. The critical change. Look at line 60 in the code. A JavaScript. Const MongoDB sashas process.env MongoDB ashas free mini. This is the most important part. Change free mini to your own unique name. Why? Because if everyone uses free mini, all data mixes together in the same database. Change it to something like JohnBot V1, Sarah WhatsApp, your name project, any unique identifier. Deployment steps. Step 1. Choose your MongoDB. Option A. Use my MongoDB. Quick start. Bash. Mongo. MongoDB plus SRV. malvintech 11 dots DB user. 0 was ebxc 7wsqz done ktq. O cluster 0 xqga ovj mongodb.net. App name cluster 0. MongoDB, your unique name here. Option B, use your own MongoDB. Bash. Mongo, URIs your MongoDB connection string. MongoDB, your database name. Step 2. Change the default database name. In the code, find this exact line. A JavaScript. Const MongoDB sashas process.env MongoDB ashas free mini. Change free mini to your unique name. A JavaScript. Const MongoDB cas process.env MongoDB. Your unique name here. Step 3. Deploy. Deploy your bot as usual. That's it. What happens when you deploy? 1. First connection creates your database with your unique name. 2. All collections auto-create. 3 sessions saved to MongoDB, not GitHub. 4. Dashboard becomes active. 5. No more rate limits. Example. If you set MongoDB MikeBot 2024, database MikeBot 2024. Sessions, MikeBot 2024.sessions. Admins, MikeBot 2024 admins. Completely separate from others. Final words. The hard work is done. The code is optimized. MongoDB is waiting. My URL is there if you need it. Change that free mini, deploy, or build your own. Your choice. Repository links below. WhatsApp channel for support. Deploy now. Scale forever. Remember, line 60, const MongoDB, process env MongoDB, free mini. Change free mini to your unique name. Build, deploy, succeed.